If you want a domain name without paying anything, this video will show you the only real ways to get a free domain name today, including what works and what no longer does. Let's start with the first working option. The first website is Freedomain.1. Freedomain.1 provides lifetime free domain names, but these are subdomains, not traditional .com domains. You can register a domain for free and keep it forever without renewal fees. Some of the available free domain extensions include publiccdm.com, joe3.org, run.place, 2bd.net, and a few similar options. This platform is best for testing projects, learning web development, student websites, demo pages, or temporary online projects. You can point these domains to hosting, use custom DNS, and start building your website without spending anything. Now let's talk about the second option, which many people ask about. The second website is Freenom. In the past, Freenom offered completely free domains like .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, and .gq. However, right now Freenom has disabled new free domain registrations. This means you cannot register new free domains on Freenom at the moment. Existing users may still manage old domains, but new registrations are currently unavailable. So as of now, Freedomain.1 is the only platform providing lifetime free domains that actually works for new users. Now, one very important thing to understand. Free domains are good for learning, testing, and small projects. But if you're building a business website, brand, or long-term project, a paid domain like .com or .net is always better for trust, SEO, and reliability. This is where Techie Coupons helps. Techie Coupons is a deals website that provides verified coupon codes and discounts for major domain registrars like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger, Porkbun, and more. Each registrar has its own dedicated store page, making it easy to find active domain coupons before you buy. So you can start with a free domain today, and when you're ready to upgrade to a premium domain, Techie Coupons helps you save money. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the Techie Coupons channel, and check the links in the description for domain deals and discounts.